Emotional intelligence in trading strategy development. Why traders lose even with a good strategy. Traders often lose even with a good strategy due to several key reasons related to psychological and practical factors. Emotional reactions, lack of discipline, poor risk management, over-trading. In today's video, our main focus will be on emotional intelligence, understanding what it is, why it matters, and how it can transform both your personal and professional life. Last week, I watched a trader exit his position too early. The chart was still in his favor, but fear whispered in his ear, "What if I lose everything?" He booked a small profit, only to watch the stock fly in the exact direction he had predicted. Sound familiar? That's not lack of knowledge, that's lack of emotional intelligence. See, trading isn't just about charts, indicators, or fancy strategies. It's about you, your mind. Emotional intelligence is nothing but understanding your own emotions, and using that understanding to act wisely instead of reacting blindly. It's the difference between clicking the buy button because the setup is right, versus clicking it because you're afraid of missing out. They blow accounts because of fear, greed, anger, or overconfidence. Emotional intelligence in trading means catching yourself before you do that revenge trade. It means sitting patiently, waiting for your setup, even when the market is moving like crazy. I'll give you a personal example. Early in my trading journey, I would panic every time a red candle appeared. My hands would sweat, my heart would race, and I'd exit too early, only to regret later. Slowly, I realized the market wasn't the problem. I was the problem. Once I started journaling my feelings after trades, I noticed patterns: fear at losses, greed after wins. Recognizing that was the first step to changing it. And the moment I built emotional intelligence, my trading improved, and so did my patience in daily life. So here's the truth: emotional intelligence is your secret weapon. It's the shield against fear, the anchor against greed, and the calm in chaos. But remember, you still need an edge, a strategy, a framework to trade with. Here's the balance: trading success is 80% emotional intelligence and only 20% strategy. A great strategy in the wrong hands will fail. But even a simple strategy, in the hands of someone who has mastered their emotions, can become unstoppable. And in my next video, I'll share with you a strategy that you will never lose with, if, and only if, you master both emotional intelligence and strategy together. So make sure you subscribe to SHBS Traders, because what's coming next might just change the way you trade forever.